Nayan sir, Vice Chancellor sir, Deans, Ranjan, Prof. Kabat, the program chair and convener Dr. Samal, other dignitaries of on the dais, my dear students, colleagues and participants. Finally, we have come to an end. Every beginning has an end. We have come to an end. So at this time, I have to just 2-3 points because whatever I have to say, I have told in the inauguration session. So first of all, in the inauguration session, I have seen our VC sir has told one or two good things. We have known the intelligent techniques, but sometimes what you do, irrespective of knowing its application or where I will apply, that since I know this, I directly apply, even if that is not suitable. Say when the problem is completely deterministic. Data set is very less. No need to go for apply this electrical algorithm or the application techniques. So that's why the point is that please judiciously think whether the problem you are taking up, it is suitable to be applied by using GA or optimization techniques or machine learning techniques or any computational techniques. That's the number one. Just I know that in very often our students do that mistake. You have seen our BTech, MTech, even PhD. They know that it is a deterministic problem. Easily solvable. Data set is very less. Just you have to know that we have known machine learning techniques, possibly they apply that. So that we you do and judiciously, then only you can give the justification. Because many of you, I hope, I have seen many of my students are there, many of us are doing PhD. When the examiners are asking those type of questions, we are unable to understand. We are unable to answer. Similarly, as I have already requested, please go through the working principles, the different parameters, formulas, so that you can answer this thing readily. Don't say that MATLAB has given or that Python has given these results. Number 2. Number 3, in addition to this computational intelligence techniques, if you can want to get better results, now there's 2 important techniques are coming out. People are heavily using, whatever computer science engineering you are using. That natural language processing areas, different techniques, as well as LLM in most of large language models. So I hope in some of the cases, these 2 techniques will give better results. So again, judiciously, now because why I am saying, many of you are doing PhD, and I have seen several examiners are giving the report, you have used simply machine learning technique or ensemble deep learning, why you have not used LLM? If you could have used LLM, maybe your results would have been better. So my request to all of you, in which area you may work, image processing, networking, or that big data, software engineering, or even other branches of engineering, civil, electrical, mechanical, etc. Please try to learn these 2 important sub-techniques of natural language processing as well as LLM. Try to apply. I think you may get better results if the nature of the problem on the data set these are suitable. So these are few of these work suggestions that you can carry out. Now regarding this management, I have 2-3 suggestions. First, I have already told you in this inauguration session, we will make it a running conference, a series of conference. This will be our brand conference. Every year we will try to do. And then I want, this time we have majorly focused on 2 things. Keynote address as well as this technical paper presentations. I will request to our management, they should think of other co-activities located in the conference. For example, conducting workshops, tutorials, PhD forum, and those kinds of things it will do, or one session especially for women in engineering. So those kinds of things it will do, that will give more visibility to our conference. And then we will think of, we will try to make it brand like we will apply for IEEE, and for that of course we have to work before 6 months. So we will try to get this IEEE logo. Then that will add more weightage to our conference, more so we have to, right now we have to start this. That will be our brand conference, and we will try to go for it. And if you want to add all those co-located events I have told, like tutorials, workshops, PhD forum, women in engineering, etc., then these 2 days will be a little bit insufficient. So what my suggestion will be there, we can make it 3 days. Many of these international conferences are 3 days. If not at all possible 3 days, you can make it 2.5 days. First day we will learn the topic, second half session, then some of the things, then next 2 days. Or first 2 days full, second half people will want to go quickly, so second half only, first half we will do this valedictory by 1 p.m. So please keep in mind those things, if that is possible, that can be set up. That will be from my side. Okay, sir. So these are the few of the suggestions. And I request, I don't know what the agenda is there or not. So please allow some of the participants to give their feedback. Once you again, I thank you very much for participating in this conference and be a part. Thank you.